Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now to get started, you will need to get the SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box, unlike the charger. And from there, simply pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the device. There we go. As you see, you need to press it firmly and the tray will pop out. And once you take it out, you have space for only a single SIM card. So place it accordingly, and from there slide it back into the device. And give it a second. There's the pin for the SIM card, and there we go. So that is how you would insert SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.